And so here we've got the points 2, 3, -3, -2. And so I'll start by labeling x1, y1, x2, y2. Find the distance between them. Our version of the distance formula is d squared is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And so putting our template together, minus sign in the middle, squared outside. We're going to have x2 minus x1. x2 is -3. x1 is 2. y2 is -2. y1 is 3. And we get -3 times -3 minus 2 is -5 squared. -2 minus 3 is also -5 squared. And so d squared is going to be 25 plus 25. D squared is 50. Square root of both sides. D is equal to the square root of 50. And that gives us 7.07. Okay, moving on to the next one. Our version of the distance formula, d squared equals x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Let's go ahead and put the template together. D squared is equal to that minus sign squared plus minus sign n squared. So we'll call this x1, y1. We'll call this x2, y2. And fill in the blanks. So x2 minus x1 is going to be 4 minus -3. y2 minus y1 is going to be -2 minus -1. Lots of negatives floating around in this one. Need to be careful. So d squared is equal to 4 minus -3 is going to be the same thing as 4 plus 3. So 7 squared plus -2 minus a -1. So -2 plus 1 is going to be -1. So d squared is going to be equal to 7 times 7 is 49. -1 times -1 is going to be 1. So we get d squared is equal to 50. Isn't that what we just had? It is, the same as the one above it. Interesting. So d squared square root is equal to the square root of 50. So d is going to be equal to 7.07. Interesting that we ended up with the same answer, even though the coordinates were different.